Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2018 Nissan Altima. You're gonna love this car. The Altima, of course, has been one of Nissan's best-selling cars of all times. Very durable, very spacious, yet very fuel efficient. If you have never driven one of these, you're going to have to get in here and take it for a drive. These things are very, very impressive. Again, extremely efficient for the car this size. You're looking at 37 miles to the gallon. This thing comes with all the goodies you could want. Now, going back to the size, take a look at this. You're going to see tons of space here. I mean, just an enormous amount of space. You're going to have quick release tabs there that's going to lower your 60-40 split folding rear seat. You do have backup camera, brand new tires on this one. And what I really like with the Altima, you're going to see a ton of space there. Folding rear armrest, which is really nice for the comfort of your rear passengers, but you can comfortably fit 3 passengers in there. This one is going to give you your passive entry, which means if you take either one of these 2 factory remotes and it's in your pocket, all you do is touch this. It'll lock the doors. Touch it again, and you're unlocking your doors. Never removing the key, never taking it out of your pocket or your purse. You just have all your power options. You're going to have your power driver seat, duplicate audio controls, cruise control, premium audio with streaming Bluetooth, air conditioning, of course, automatic transmission, and an oversized center console there, along with auxiliary inputs there. Again, very clean car, very solid. Only 30 couple thousand miles on this one, very low miles, factory warranty, one owner corporate vehicle. Corporate vehicles are absolutely awesome because they have been maintained so well. Again, tons of factory warranty left on this one, brand new tires. Best of all, this one does have your forward emergency braking system on it, which means you're driving down the road, and unfortunately these days people get distracted. If you're one of those people that get distracted or something just runs out in front of you, the car's going to stop very quickly to prevent you from hitting someone or hitting a vehicle. Very neat feature, very important feature to have. You can call us at 540-433-7335. You can text that number 24/7. And one thing I want to talk to you about too is processing fees. So many people have crazy processing fees. We have 0 processing fees here. Do not pay those fees. No processing fees, no reconditioning fees, no 30-day tag fees. Do not get tied up in those crazy fees. No fees here. Awesome car, guys. 37 miles to the gallon, tons of space, emergency braking system. Do not miss it. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.